Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We're going to work on the Camaro today again. It's my daily driver, so it gets abused. So we're going to do the driver side CV and wheel bearing. And again, I appreciate you tuning in. So let's get better set up on that side, and we'll be at it in just a sec. All right, guys, let's pull this wheel off. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? A pair of gloves. Got a brand new pair. I don't know where my old pairs are, but they must be in the hopper to be washed. And I do wash them. All right, here we go. Here we go. This thing has got an auto stop on this gun. It feels like it's going too many RPM. It's set by RPM. It'll quit spinning and you have to re-trigger it. See, I've got the trigger down. You have to bump, bump. You have to keep bumping it. But I guess it keeps you from throwing the blood. See, I'm down on it. All right. Let's get these out of the way. Get our pan. There we go. Move the pan. Get it over here. All right. Let's see. Let's get a light in there. Okay. Let's do that. My trusty drop light. Start. That ain't gonna be enough. All right. Let's break this caliper loose first. I got some stubby sockets here. They're made by Capri, and they're good sockets, guys. That's I can't say enough. They really are. I got my magnetic socket holder here. So anyway, I digress. Let's see, what size do you think that is? I think that's an 18, and it is. It is an 18. Let's grab a breaker bar and that rascal right there. This is a CC. I bought this not too long ago. It's extended 3/8 drive ratchet. Really do like it. I've got a 3/8 drive. It's made by Avid. It's got a small head on it compared to that CC. Ooh. But it's a good tool. Very good tool. They're both good tools. This is Icon swivel head. Don't fall. There we go. You know what I forgot completely about? I went and did blood work today. Forgot to take this silly thing off. There it is. Throw it away. Noticed it when I stretched. It sort of, the tape grabbed my hair. There we go. There we go. Let's use that little head. That's tightening. That's loose. I think that big head fit in there. Maybe not. I could smell the Loctite. It's got a definite odor. Whoop. Ain't gonna turn loose. Man, that pad looks thin. Huh. So gone. Who would have thought? Wow. I need to put new pads on that thing. Got a little lip on it, but all right, let's try this. There we go. There we go. Very good. All right. Let's see what we got here. I think that's it. All right. There it is. E-brakes look good. Rotor doesn't look bad, actually. Probably can just use some new pads. 30's too small. 32. 34 millimeter. 35. I bet you 36 is the magic number. It is. See if that has enough gas. Had enough gas. all I got. Mm. We're gonna have to run this thin head and see if I can get it up in there versus having to wrench all these things. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got pitting down in here. I'm just using a little Scotch-Brite. Just the Alright guys, it's the next day. Been trying to find a wheel bearing. The wheel bearing I had would not fit this axle. And I have yet to find a wheel bearing for this car. So I'm going to put the old wheel bearing in. Turns out this wheel bearing is actually good. The CV is no good. So I'm going to run that wheel bearing. And until I find another one, I guess I'm going to have to get with the Chevrolet dealership and see what I can come up with. It's the craziest thing I've ever heard of. You can't go to the auto parts and get one. Nobody's got one. So, meanwhile, let's, I'm gonna, this is, the thread, medium strength, high viscosity metal pipe thread locking and sealing fittings. Stuff's out of Europe. Anyway, it works pretty good. And the better part was it was free. So, get down. Yeah, come on. Me too. I'm gonna put it in neutral. There we go. Got it lined up. Yeah. Okay. I have to have an extension. All it does is clean. All it does. Let's see. 32. So if you that's I said on to us. All right, guys, we're done. Just need to pick up tools. I had to use the old wheel bearing because I cannot find a wheel bearing for an SS. So I'm going to go to the dealership. That's what I'm going to have to do, and see what I can find out there. And if I do find out, I'll post it up in a video. So I'm quite quite sure there's other people that are having the same problem, guy, with an SS. Anyway, I appreciate you tuning in. And remember Romans 1:16. I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.